Hello students, I am Rupesh Chaudhary. Today we are going to learn new topic English class 4th poem Why Unit 4. So first we will learn the poem, the explanation of this poem, and after that to translate in Hindi. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now? Why not? Why by the by? In this stanza, the poet says that he knows a little boy who is curious, always asking questions about anything and everything. He is very anxious and eager to know something about everything. He keeps on asking why this, why that, why now, and why not, and other similar questions about everything he comes across. He wants to know why wood should sing, why lead and marble sing, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. In this stanza, the poet further describes the queries of the little boy. He asks questions like why does wood swim in water while lead and marble sink in it? These questions asked by him indicates that his imagination is very strong. He has good observation skills. He wants to know that makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die? In this stanza, the poet gives some more examples of the questions asked by the little boy. He says that the boy wants to know what are the clouds made up and why do they move in the sky. Unlike all other things that move on the ground, he also wants to know that at sunset, why does the sun disappear behind the hills and what is the reason that the pretty flowers in the garden die all of a sudden? Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if we will try, others no one ever yet has found a reason why. In this stanza, the poet says that some of these questions asked by the little boy are not difficult to answer. We just need to think a little about it and can satisfy the child's curiosity, but the answer to some other questions is not even known to us as we have not pondered over them. Summary of this poem. In this poem, the poet talks about a little boy. He always has a question to ask about everything. इस कविता में कवि एक छोटे लड़के के बारे में बता रहा है। वह हमेशा हर चीज के बारे में प्रश्न पूछता रहता है। He wants to know why wood floats but lead and marble sink in water. Why the sun shines and the wind blows and why we eat and drink every day. वह जानना चाहता है कि लकड़ी पानी पर क्यों तैरती है लेकिन शीशा और संगमरमर पानी में नीचे बैठ जाते हैं। सूर्य क्यों चमकता है और हवा क्यों बहती है और हम रोज क्यों भोजन करते हैं और पानी पीते हैं। He is curious to know what are the clouds made of and why do they float in the sky. Why the sun sets behind the hills and the flowers die. वह ये जानने को उत्सुक है कि बादल किस चीज से बने हैं और वे आकाश में क्यों तैरते बहते हैं। सूर्य पहाड़ियों के पीछे क्यों अस्त होता है और फूल क्यों मुरझा जाते हैं। The poet says that some of his questions are easy to try, but some questions have no reasons yet found. कवि कहता है कि कुछ प्रश्नों का उत्तर सरलता से दिया जा सकता है जबकि उनमें से कुछ का अभी तक कोई कारण नहीं है। Word meaning. Number 1. Curious. Meaning of the word eager to know, जानने के लिए उत्सुक. Lead, a kind of metal. Seesaw. Third, marble, a hard stone. संगमरमर. Sink, to go down. डूब जाना. Reason, cause for something. कारण. Let us see the questions answer. Reading is fun. Page number 62. Name a few things that sink. Answer is marble and lead are a few things that sink. Question number 2. List 3 questions that the little boy asked. Answer 3 questions which the little boy asked are: A. Why does wood swim in water? B. Why do we eat and drink every day? C. Why do the flowers die? Question number 3. What sort of boy is described in the poem? Option A. Sad. B. Curious. C. Brave. Answer is the boy described in the poem is curious. Page number 62. Let's talk. Ram is a curious little boy. He is always asking questions. One day, he came home and asked his grandfather questions like: Number 1. Why can't we look at the sun during a solar eclipse? Question number 2. Why can't we touch the sun? Question number 3. Why can't we go out to play in the dark? Discuss these questions with your teacher and class. Do you know the answers? Number 1. Answer is we can't look at the sun during a solar eclipse because it may damage our eyes. Number 2. We can't touch the sun because it is very far away from us and because it is very hot. Question number 3. Answer: we cannot go out to play in the dark because we would not be able to see things due to which we may fall and hurt ourselves. Page number 62 and 63. Word building. Fill in the blanks with words from the poem which rhyme with the colored words in the sentence. Why is the sky so high? Do you know the color of snow? Have you found who made the cloud? Put the glass in the sink after you finish your drink. Question number 2. The spellings of these words are jumbled. Put them right and make sentence of your own. WOKN. No. Do you know why does the sun shine brightly? WISM. Swim. I know how to swim. DAEL. Lead. Lead is very heavy. BLARME. Marble. Marble is kind of costly stone. LLIHS. Hills. I fainted when I climbed the hills.